Alright, welcome everybody. This is Derek. It's my channel, Cajun Blade. Today we're gonna do some refreshing. This is a Nanawa Goken Arada 5K. This is a Boker Sologen. It's a little between 6/8 and 7/8. So I put it about a 15/16. Bone handle Boker. Very nice razor. I enjoy it. It's a hologram. Just honing her up and swapping finisher. So what I'm doing right now is I'll go ahead and kill the edge. Probably didn't need to go back to 5K, but I am. I'm not going to do circles or half strokes. I'm just going to reestablish level and then progress up. I have been going 5K, 10K. Today, I'm gonna go 5K, 8K, 10K, just to see if it makes any difference at the end result. Probably unnecessary. All right. Undercut is good. Better on the pull stroke than on the push. I don't know what y'all call it. That's how I call it. So there's some areas that I need to address there on the heel. So I guess I'll go ahead and move into some circles. Speed the process up. This is one of the razors I do hone on tape. This was a razor that was actually given to me. Yeah, I was having trouble with it. Once we corrected geometry, it turned out to be a pretty good razor. Hope everybody's doing well. Pretty good content out there. Seen Leon has updated a couple shave videos. I caught one of them. I'll watch the next one here when I get a chance. Sean's back from Chicago. Looking forward to his next content. Of course, Moughton and Bill, Devin, Greg. A lot of good honers out there and good shavers. Y'all give them a look. All right, this is where we want it right here, where I want it. The feel I'm getting is where I want to be. All right. Okay. We're gonna go Fiji 8K. Very light pressure. Not a whole lot of swarf. Makes me believe the work we've done on the 5K was sufficient. Seeing some discoloration of swarf on the surface, nothing embedded in this Fiji. No train tracks. All right, just clear water. Go 10 on it. It's kind of starting to stick. All right. I'm not going to go with any slurry on this 10K. This is not on Gokan Arata 10K. See, we come some striation right there. I mean, swarf right there into the removing the swarf striation of the 8K. I believe that's it. All right. We'll go ahead and clean up and grab our finisher. All right, I'm back. So we got it honed up to 10K. During the break, you seen I kind of put a picture in there of my honing setup in my bathroom. I think it's important that everybody understands the correct storage of these synthetic stones. I always dry mine on end, and that's why I put that picture in there. Mine stay like that unless they've been dry a week plus. And like my 12K and my 4K, they're not standing up because I don't use them. This is a Moughton, a UK stone. Most of you probably have never even heard of it. It's a water stone that you slurry. One of the few that you'll find here in the US. I was very fortunate to get my hands on it. It's similar to a Coticule. It probably tops out 9-10. So we're making an even swap, move over from a 10K to this Moughton stone. It's a shell, and I'm gonna use a little slurry. And it's we're just gonna make some slurry and some water passes here, just to get the comfort level where we want it. I've used this stone coming off a Coticule. Range on it, I can come off my 5K and get a bump. It's slow, so I really been enjoying my 10K and playing with my synthetics more. And, hadn't had a whole lot of time this time off to do the honing I'd like. Make a long story short, weather issues we've had and having to work my tail off. So I've been using my synthetics more and just finishing on my naturals. Try to get a good picture. It's not exactly what I enjoy, but it definitely works. And like I said, I'm having a lot of fun with this 10K. Never did like the shave off my 12K. Wasn't real fond of the performance off of 12K to all of my stones. But it was useful to me, going 12K to slates, 12K to Navaculi. It was faster than using a Coticule. But this 10K is a game changer for me. All right. We're going with feel right now. Trying to feel the abrasion of the slurry. Watching undercut. Making sure it's even. I'll water this down a little bit. Beautiful stone. See if undercut's getting violent. Really liking how undercut's going right now. Heel or two. It's really smoothing out the edge. I'll take some pictures. Hopefully, if I remember, I have time. I'll take some pictures incorporating it in the video what the bevel face looks like off this Moughton. Look at that. That's where we want to be. Very light touch. All right, a little straight water here. This is a very slow stone, but like I said, we just come off a 10K, so I'm not going to get much additional bump out of this, if any. It's just going to be more of a transition from synthetic to natural feel. All right. All right. This is the razor Boker with bone scales. I think come out all right. This is the stone. See, out of the UK, Moughton. See the pattern in it? It is a slate. It is a water stone. That's how we're gonna finish it. Thank you for joining me. This is Eric. It's my channel, Cajun Blade, and we'll see you on the next one.